And joining me now is Dr. Karan Singh, the first governor of Jammu and Kashmir. Dr. Singh, I appreciate your time. You have seen this entire journey of Jammu and Kashmir since 1947, the twists and turns, the ups and downs. Do you see today as the dawn of a new era?
I have seen it from much before 1947. I was born in 1931, so I have also seen a lot of pre-47 Jammu Kashmir also. Well, it is certainly a new chapter in the long and turbulent history of Jammu and Kashmir, an important new chapter. Whether it's a new era or not, I'm not quite sure yet.
Okay, so you're calling it a new chapter, and the government says that there has been a transformation in Kashmir in the last 4 years, and Article 370 was largely an impediment in its growth. Several IITs, IIMs, the entire valley has transformed. Would you agree?
Well, certainly there have been important developments since the abrogation. There has been a good deal of development. Some important new institutions have been set up, there's no doubt about that. The Dal Lake has been cleaned, which itself is a miracle. So yes, quite a lot of good work has been done, but it will take time for all of this to flourish and to finally come into its own, because these projects will obviously take a few years to fructify fully.
Since you say that today is a new chapter, what would you be telling people of Jammu and Kashmir today?
Well, I feel that first of all, let me say that I am speaking on my own personal behalf, not on behalf of the Congress party. I am not an official spokesman, so I want to make that clear. Now, personally, I welcome the decision because there was a lot of uncertainty in the air, and that has now been clarified. And my advice to the people of Jammu and Kashmir would be to now accept this in good grace and move onwards. I am aware that there will be large sections of the population who will be very unhappy with the decision. But I submit to them that there is no point now in going on with something which is not possible. They should now turn their energies towards the elections that will be held soon. And let me also say I welcome two particular aspects of the judgment. First of all, the remark that our statehood should be restored as quickly as possible. And secondly, that there should be elections by a certain deadline. And my own view is that the statehood should be restored before the elections, so that when the elections are held, people vote for a state, not for a union territory. There's no point voting for a union territory and then becoming a state. So these are two welcome aspects of the judgment. And I must congratulate the Supreme Court for the very meticulous manner in which they have gone through all the details of this very complex matter.
All right, Dr. Karan Singh, really appreciate your time. Thank you so much for speaking to NDTV.